Good morning, student. Open your book, page number 5. Today we are going to study about a story. Today Rajni had to go out for some important work. She had to leave her 6-month-old son Deepak with her sister Susila. What happened? This lady in the picture, her name is Susila. Now Susila's sister Rajni had go for some work and she had one small baby. So she requested the Susila auntie to take care of her son Deepak for some time, and it was such a funny incident that both the babies did potty at the same time. Susila happily cleaned her daughters, but it was turn for her to clean Deepak nappy. She covered her nose with her dupatta. Why it happened? So Susila covered her nose when she cleaned Deepak's nappy, but not when she cleaned her daughter. Why do you think she did this? She did this because when we feel something is dirty, we find it smell bad. Susila felt Deepak's nappy is dirty, so she had to cover her nose while cleaning, whereas when she cleaned her daughter's nappy, she did not feel it being dirty because she was used to cleaning her own baby's nappy. But Deepak nappy was first time for her, so Susila felt that Deepak nappy was dirty. Next point. How do you feel when you walk near a heap of garbage? Think of the children who spend the whole day picking things from such garbage. We feel very bad when we walk near a heap of garbage. But the children who spend their whole day picking up things from garbage, they don't feel because they used to the smell. So that is why they don't feel bad. Here we have to note that smell depends on how people think about it. But some smell are always bad most of the people, like smell of cow dung, urine or potty. Turn your page. Next we going to study about position of eyes on head of some birds. Some birds have eyes in front of their head just like we human have. If we suppose our head to be just like a ball or a saucer, then our eyes are in front of the saucer, just like the owl has eye in front of its head. But most of the birds have their eyes on either side of the head, just like hen, pigeon, crow, eagle. So their eyes are on their side of their head. Is it going to help them anyway? Yes, it does. If I ask you without moving your neck how much you can see, then you will see things in front of us and just a little our side. But if your eyes are on the other side of your head, your left eye, you could see things on your left, and with your right eye you could see things present in your right side. Similarly, this bird also can see into different direction at the same time. With their left eye they can see things on their left side, and their right eye they can see things on their right side. And how these things is going to help the bird? They can see two different sides at same time and can be safe from hunter or other danger. Now you must have seen many birds moving their neck while walking. You must have seen hen, pigeon, crow, and many such birds. Have you ever wondered why this is so? The reason behind this is most of the birds' eyes are fixed and cannot move. So they have to move their neck and turn their head to see around. Eyes are fixed means like we human, we can move our eyeballs up and down, right and left, but eyes of the bird fixed and they cannot move. That is why to say these things that they need to move their head or neck. Thank you. Take care.